1 minus 6 equals minus 5. 1 minus 6 equals minus 5. Minus 5 times minus 5 equals positive 25. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, but we do have parentheses present as well. So according to the rules, parentheses have higher priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. 1 minus 6, that gives us negative 5. Our expression simplifies to 1 minus 6 times negative 5, because we have that multiplication operator present here. And now we have multiplication and subtraction present in our expression, and multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this part first. 6 times negative 5, that gives us negative 30, and our expression simplifies to 1 minus negative 30. Now let's solve this subtraction. So 1 minus negative 30, negative is positive, so 1 plus 30 is the final expression, and when we simplify 1 plus 30, that gives us 31, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.